Holy Bill of Rights, Batman! Hey everybody, I'm Maureen Aladdin for Buzz 60. Guess what we have? Brace yourselves. This is exclusive behind-the-scenes footage of the new Batman movie, The Dark Knight Rises, being filmed downtown in New York City. What's that? 3 Batmobiles? What sorcery is this? Why would there be 3? This is torture at its most bizarre and terrible. Perhaps the rumors are true that Bane and Catwoman will be teaming up with Batman. One of the cars is supposed to be an aerial bat vehicle. How cool is that? The Dark Knight Rises, starring Christian Bale as Batman and Anne Hathaway as Catwoman, promises to bring the Gotham City comic full circle. Whatever Christopher Nolan is planning, July 2012 is gonna be the same Bat time and the same blockbuster Bat movie. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.